Today you will see how to find determinants of a matrix using Excel sheets. First, let us take one matrix, say matrix A, which is dimension of 4 by 4, say 7, 4, 7, 6 on the first column. The second column 4, 2, 8, 8. On the third column, say 5, 0, 9, 9. And on the fourth column, say 6, 1, 7, and 2. This 4 by 4 matrix. Now let us calculate the determinant of this 4 by 4 matrix using the Excel sheet. First, we'll select a cell which should our answer should be written. Say let us put here our cursor and write equal sign and type MD. Then from the given options, MD determinant, double click this one. This is a general formula. Therefore, first let us click on the first element of the first cell, say this one, and shift plus these two dots and select the last element which is located on at 4 by 4. Then close the brackets, then say enter. Simply we can calculate the determinant of the given 4 by 4 matrix within few seconds, which is minus 318.